reversing. I'm going to downtown to rejuvenate, revitalize, in as much as stress is not, for me, stress is not the #1 killer today, but it's how you react, your reaction to the situation. It should always be 10%. What happened is 10% and 90% is your action or your feedback to whatever negative event in your life. So just join me as I share you my day. That was a day on a Saturday. The life of the retired teacher. Here, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Darna, your selfie queen and the blogger of the century. So, thank you, my mabuhay, my viewers and buyers. So I'm riding a jeepney right now. As much as I don't have a car, so I just enjoy riding here. So there's no stress. Stress free. This is it. For today, there is a conductor, so we don't abot our pamasahe. It's just we give it to the conductor our fare wherever is our destination. Here is the glances of my Davao going out today to refresh myself, to revitalize, as much as 100 years from now, it won't matter anymore. Where are you after 100 years? Who is holding your property? Who is the owner of your car, of your house and lot? No more. So stress is nowhere in our vocabulary. Let's erase, delete that one. It's how we face our situation, especially in negative situation. So this is it. A life of stress-free. No cards, no permanent reports, no classroom observation, no other teaching job, but just to go relax and go to places where I love to go. Okay, let's go to the mall for refreshing and rejuvenating. Today I have two destinations. I will go to the Isano Illustrated and afterwards I will proceed to SM Nicola. By now we stop. I think we have the traffic light. Yeah, I cannot glance. It's there. So this is it. We stop for a moment. Situation in Davao on Saturday in the afternoon. Okay, there are bus, jeep, and also the car. The Mindanao Star there. Traffic light. I think it's a traffic light. Thank you for joining me always wherever I am as I share my captured episodes. Kamabuhay, kamaplayers. Thank you so much. I will be dropping at Matina Crossing. I'm almost there. After that, I have to take another ride to bring me to the Isano Illustrated. Okay, Matina Crossing. We are almost approaching here. And I have to go down. GS Garisano. O GS, salaman mo ako. Anapan mo ako. Tawagin mo ako kung may dadaan, ha? Pwede? GS guys, ano? Illustrated.
Illustrate?
Pwede dito?
Ito.
Sige, dito na ako. So, this is my second ride. Pwede na rin lang ang senior, maawa kayo. Okay, so this is my second, ride now. I drop by Manila Crossing. I'll be going now to